Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video we'll be talking about how to fix DStv Explorer stuck on loading. Number 1. Unplug and restart. Switch off the decoder at the wall socket, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This clears temporary glitches. Number 2. Check the cables. Make sure all HDMI and power cables are firmly connected. If you have a smart LNB or satellite cable, check that it hasn't come loose. Number 3. Reboot with the power button. Press and hold the power button on the decoder for about 10 seconds. Wait for the decoder to reboot and go through the startup process again. Number 4. Check for signal issues. If your dish isn't getting signal, the decoder can freeze on the loading screen. Go to Settings, Signal Strength if possible, or contact a technician to check your dish. Number 5. Reset the decoder or hard boot. This should be a last resort as it may clear your save settings or recordings. Press and hold the P plus and P minus buttons on the front of the decoder. While holding them, switch the power off and back on at the plug. Keep holding the buttons until you see the DStv logo appear. Number 6. Contact DStv support. If it's still stuck, contact DStv through their WhatsApp support or call their helpline. There might be a deeper technical fault or a need to replace the decoder.